Who's that, then?
That's a painting I did of Harry Styles.
What?
So, he was painted by David Hockney in a very similar painting, and I thought it'd be funny to do my own version. And I posted it to Instagram, and Harry Styles got in touch.
Oh, my God.
And said, I want to buy it. And I said, £7. And he said, 6.
That's hilarious.
And I said, £6.50 and a Kit Kat Chunky.
Lovely.
And he agreed to it, so I've sent it, so that's me sending it off. But he hasn't paid. Oh. So I've given him 28 days on the invoice, and then I'm going to take him to the small claims court.